What's up?
Hi. Yay. You know that girl, Patty, I told you? She showed up inside Liquid's class.
That's awesome.
They have about 12 students right now, but they could double that.
If...
How do you feel about raising $600 to buy bus passes for a kid in Mexico?
I feel great about that.
Perfect answer.
Anyway, I think this is almost all of it. I guess we're there now.
How does it feel?
Like home. I'm glad Daphne is cool with us being here. I imagine it's kind of a big deal for her. She's upset.
No. There is something I need to tell you. And I got so upset.
Yeah?
She started questioning me a lot. And she knew I was lying, so
I didn't.
I had to.
Did you tell Faye? And John and Catherine?
No. Just Daphne. She knows me so well. And I was wrestling with whether or not to move in with you, and I felt like I had to tell someone.
Bruno! Bruno!
Yes, it's done.
You're gonna be so nice. Be nice.
Promise.
Good boy. Bruno! 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 That's a good boy. Come here.
All I need is for 60 people to give me 10.
You are so nice. Good boy. Good Bruno. Bruno.
Dictionaries and postcards. Maybe I could do this on my own. Oh my god, it's even more disgusting.
What's he doing? You could be nice boy. Oh, you're so nice. Good boy, Bruno. Whoa. Bruno. Oh, he's so nice. Good boy. Oh.
Who's making these things anyway? See. I think I've seen that guy around campus. He's a student.
Oh, Bruno.
I will pay him a visit.
Bruno. You're gonna be nice. You're gonna be so nice. Oh, good boy, Bruno. Good boy. That's a good boy.
Hey.
What's he doing?
I'm Toby.
What's he doing?
Thank you.
Bruno, be nice. Nice. Bruno, nice. Bruno. Oh, hey, Bruno. Okay, you hurt him, that's all.
So, she stopped by often?
No. Toby works in the death program for the hospital.
Yes, I know, baby. I know.
It's Mom.